Oppo has launched its new affordable 5G phone in India called Oppo A3, and it is entirely different from the Chinese version that was recently launched back in July this year. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The new Oppo A3 features a tall 6.67-inch HD+ display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1000 nits of peak brightness support, and it is protected by twice-reinforced Panda glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 6GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Oppo A3 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. For selfies, it has 5-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5100 mAh battery, with 45W SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with ColorOS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it is also military standard 810H compliant for shock resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.7 by 76 by 7.7mm, and it weighs around 187 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo A3 5G has been priced in India at 15,999 Indian rupees, and it is now available for purchase in the country in nebula red and ocean blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo A3 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.